Yo, we got a steak. Hubby cooked tonight because I feel like poo-poos. As he said, I look like poo-poos.
She looks like she feels like poo-poos.
Which means I look like poo-poos, apparently. What did you use this fork for before I put this in my mouth?
I split the potatoes with it.
Okay. Are the potatoes done?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they're iffy in the microwave. Our last steak video together. If that's the case, go follow my YouTube. I will have my username down below. No, I'm not going on red no as far as I know right now.